Hey guys, Jeff. Just did a project on negative grading to slope the water away from your home, especially where it overflows gutters and things. Now I'm doing another one. A bed I built a couple of years ago. At the time, I said, well, if I need landscape fabric, I'll add it then. I'm an idiot. I should have done it then because now the dirt has washed away substantially inside my rock wall here. So I'm going to have to dig it out, dig out the mulch, install some landscape fabric right here. And then over that, I'll put topsoil, which I've got here. Then my super tamper that I make out of a 4x4, just to tamp it down. If need be, I'll have a shovel and I'll show you the end product. But I'm getting water a little too close to my foundation. So I really I have to solve my drain issue a little bit better. But I can see the damage just in something. This has just been in 2 years. So some of your homes may have substantial drainage issues, so I would suggest you take a peek. I see it a lot on home inspections, and something I guess I should need to look closer to home. So keep watching, and you'll see how we do it. I put way too much mulch here. We have a lawn crew as part of our subdivision, and they just pack any void full of mulch. Not too bad. Get that up here. Then we take this fabric I have. What I'll do is put the large oversized fabric and I'll cut off the edges once I pack it with dirt. I could use landscaping stakes to hold it in. I'm choosing not to here. Well, it's the house. Take a pack of dirt. Hold it. So landscaping fabric allows moisture through. It just drips through. It doesn't drip. You could go double layer too. I don't think I need to, so I'm just doing single layer. Yeah, that's about right. I get in there nice and good. One more bag and I'll tamp it. Super tamper, really easy, doesn't need any strength just because of the weight of the wood does it. Don't want to go too hard, it's a loose stack wall. I'll add a little more, but make sure it fills the voids. more. Actually, I think I'm just going to do the 2 bags. I think it's really good. And again, I'll cut the fabric off when I'm done. Okay, great. I'll start to reapply some mulch. I think if I did it over again, I would have put my excess mulch in a bucket just to reapply it easily. A Home Depot bucket or something. But that's cut away. Not that picky. No one sees this up close, but I'll get off what I can. The rain will push it down a little bit in water, so it'll give it a little room to sink in. Okay, that's done. Right there, that way, in case it goes in, a little bit in back. Here we go. Okay, there's that. I'm going to reapply mulch over the top. Put that in there. The landscape fabric lets water through it. It would not redirect water, so I'll let this sit for a day or two, then I'll come back out and do a final trim. I'll show you what that looks like. That's 2 bags of topsoil and the mulch deinstalled and then reinstalled. Now it's back down to ground level and won't wash out through the wall where it used to wash out here. So again, look around your own house, look for spots of negative grading. 2 bags of topsoil, a bag of mulch, and a little landscape cloth does wonders. Thanks, bye.